Hey everyone, guess who's vlogging today? Me, yes. And see this evil pimple. Anyways, today can you guys see my hair? Oh my god. I'll tell you about my hair later. Today I'm going to be making some food for gifting. We have some very close family friends that just moved into a new home, and you know how moving can be and just tiring, and I can just imagine their mom will be too tired to cook. So I was like, why not make something for them and just give them, maybe they'll have for dinner, or even if they already bought food they can always have that later or whatever. Anyway, I'm going to be taking you guys along as I go to buy a few things for what we're making. So I'm going to be making Chinese fried rice and grilled chicken, egg and sausage fried rice and grilled chicken. So I'm going to take you guys along and show you guys everything I buy. I have some things already at home, but I'll show you the things I get, and yeah. But first, let's make coffee. This is not my favorite kind of coffee, but this is what I have. So I'm just gonna use what I have. I almost always have to have coffee every day because if you're a new mom or if you have kids, you know how stressful it is. And I don't have any help. So that's why I used to sweeten stevia. I don't have a help that lives with me, or so I basically do everything myself. I have someone that comes to clean on weekends. Like, she's around right now. So sometimes I like to have my coffee cold. Sometimes I take it warm. So I'm making a cold cup of coffee. Just using cold water. I have my coffee, I have my snack, and let's go.
You should have seen the way that you bloomed. I think I saw your face in the moon. I promise I'll be with you as soon as I find a way up, yeah. 'Cause you're farther than a kiss on the phone. There's things about you I'll never know. I hope that one day we'll be in love when you're not far away. You really make me wanna fly, cross my heart and hope to die.
Okay guys, so I'm going to show you some of the things I got, and some of them are not for what I'm making, but I have to buy food for the house. So I have this mixed veggies, two of that. I have this sausage, and then I have some chicken thighs, and then here I have some lettuce. I have some basil. They're calling this basil, but it smells like curry leaves to me. It doesn't smell like basil at all. It smells like curry leaves. Then I got this cheese, some potato. I have some burger buns. I have this pan. All this is for a different recipe. And then I have some coriander powder and some cumin powder. So we're making see the black black stuff all over your hand.
Already looking at paper and cash. How you just
Of course. First thing I'm going to do is to marinate one chicken, and I have 6 chicken thighs that I'm going to be using. I'll show you how I do that. But for the fried rice recipe, I'm going to have that in a different video. But I'll show you some parts of, I'll show you some parts of that. But let's get making our marinade. So this is our marinade. I have this little food processor that I always make my marinade mix in. So I'm putting some spring onion. I have some regular onions, I have some garlic, and I have some habanero peppers for spice. I know kids are going to be eating out of this, so I don't want it to be too spicy. And I know someone will be like, oh my god, all that spice, and you're saying you don't want it too spicy. It's not going to be too spicy. Just watch me, trust me. So then I have this basil that smells like curry leaves, and I'm going to rinse out some, and that is also going to go in. What really makes grilled meats or chicken especially taste really good for me is the herbs that go in. So I like to use coriander or basil or any kind of, or parsley, any good herbs that I find. So that goes in there. I'm just going to take off the leaves. Yeah, I don't want too much of the stalk. Okay, it doesn't matter, but in there some oil, some salt, I have this veggie stock powder that I love so much, so I'm going to use some of that. Just throwing things around. Some black pepper. Let's use my secret in life is this fish sauce. Oh my gosh, you guys, just a few dashes, that's it. It's not fishy at all, but it's so good. That is what flavors most of my cooking. Oh my gosh, I use it in boiling meat, I use it in pepper soup. I'm talking about the fish sauce. It's so good, so good. This is basically my marinade. It's usually just herbs, spice. So now our chicken is going in there. My chicken has been washed and I've used a little bit of I've used some kitchen towel, some kitchen napkin just to drain the excess moisture from it, so that when it's grilling in the oven or baking, whatever you want to call it, it doesn't release too much juices. But even if it does, you'll see how we will treat that. So I'm just making sure this is well if you have an outdoor grill, or even this, or a charcoal grill, or you know, whatever, but this it looks so good. But guess what, we are not eating any of it. It's all going to our friends. I didn't even buy I didn't even buy any extra for like, oh, the family or whatever. No, everything. So the next thing we're going to do while the chicken is marinating is to boil the rice down. So we have different kinds of rice that we use. So we have, this is basmati rice. And my measure has gone under. So we're going to measure the quantity. I typically cook 3 cups for my family, and that's what I'm going to be doing. So 3 cups of rice. That's about 1 kg actually. About, I think 1 kg is like 3 cups and a half. But we're going to be cooking 1 kg. So that's it. Now I'm going to go rinse this and put it to boil. The reason why we cook our rice ahead is so that when we fry it, like when we stir fry it, it's a little bit cooled, and that gives you that stir fried. It just, I think it makes it better, sure, when the rice is cooled, not when you use like hot steaming rice to make stir fry. No, when it's cooled, it's better. So I'm just going to rinse this, put it on stove with a little salt, not too much salt. It's a little salt. Some people actually boil theirs with soy sauce, but no, just a little salt, just so that the rice itself is a little flavored before we proceed. So that's what I'm going to do. So our chicken has been marinating for like 30 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and lay them out on the oven tray to bake. So I just dropped like 1 tablespoon or teaspoon of oil just to coat it. Although I put oil in the chicken already, but just extra reinforcement. So I'm gonna go ahead and just lay them out. Try to get some of the marinade on the chicken. This is really spicy, so if you use your hands to do this, just make sure you wash when you are done. All this is going to just impact extra flavor. So pouring all
I think about you all the time now. I guess I never feel the same. And I'm always waiting for your call, but I don't know you don't want this sometimes. So I'ma run you out many girls, but you're always ignoring them. I know that you are thinking of me. You can know that you like me, yeah. You can know that you like
vlog today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that chicken recipe. You can catch the rice recipe in the link down below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Oh, please, if you're not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so, okay? I know I look like a hot mess. I told you I was going to tell you guys about my hair. It's such a boring story, but don't need to talk about it. Forget about my hair. Let's concentrate on the food for today. Please, if you're not subscribed to my channel, do well to subscribe. Like this video if you did, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.